Welcome to the fascinating world of maintenance technicians and their crucial role in any organization. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to explore the various responsibilities, skill levels, and certifications of maintenance technicians. By the end of this video, you'll understand why every organization needs a maintenance technician, the different types of technicians, and how they can improve reliability and save your company money. Let's dive into the world of maintenance technicians. These are the folks who perform general maintenance on assets and are responsible for the upkeep of a facility. Depending on the size of the organization and the maintenance budget, their responsibilities can vary. For instance, a maintenance technician for a small apartment community might be a jack of all trades, while one working in a world-class manufacturing plant might specialize in preventive, predictive, and emergency maintenance on specific types of equipment. Maintenance technicians are categorized by skill levels, usually indicated by Roman numerals from 1 through 4. A lower numeral means less experience, while a higher numeral means more experience. Regardless of the skill level, the responsibilities remain the same but require varying degrees of technical aptitude and leadership. In large organizations, a maintenance technician reports to a maintenance supervisor or manager. In smaller organizations, they report to a facility or property manager. Their responsibilities include performing different types of reactive and proactive maintenance, disseminating site-specific knowledge to contractors, performing quality assurance on components, updating preventive maintenance tasks and work orders in a CMMS, and working with other departments to keep a facility and related equipment in good working order. So, what traits should a maintenance technician possess? They should be able to follow a manufacturer's specifications and schematics, solve problems effectively under limited supervision, understand general mechanical and electrical principles, comprehend OSHA standards in regards to performing work duties, and prioritize safety by demonstrating safe work practices and promoting a safe work environment. Any organization that manages physical capital assets, like equipment, machinery, vehicles, buildings, and so on, should hire a maintenance technician to ensure these assets remain in good working order. Without a maintenance technician, an organization must spend money on outside contractors, which can be 10 times more expensive than an in-house technician. So, if an organization requires numerous repairs per day, it makes financial sense to hire a maintenance technician. There are different types of maintenance technicians. Plant maintenance technicians monitor and maintain the operation of plant systems and equipment. Building maintenance technicians inspect buildings on a daily basis and perform routine maintenance. Facilities maintenance technicians solve problems and perform basic maintenance and engineering tasks. Public works maintenance technicians update inspection logs for fleet vehicle safety, efficiency, and appearance. So, what does a maintenance technician do each day? They start by reviewing daily work orders, prioritize their workload, document any work performed, maintain constant awareness, and make updates as changes occur. A maintenance technician can play a big role in helping a company improve reliability. They can understand the root cause of equipment failures, guide the selection of precision tools, consistently perform preventive maintenance, update and organize drawings for critical equipment, update records of maintenance histories, and secure foundations for major equipment. There are several certifications available for maintenance technicians. The Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals offers the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Technician certification. The National Apartment Association offers the Certificate for Apartment Maintenance Technicians. The International Maintenance Institute also offers a variety of training and certifications for maintenance technicians. Hiring a technician with a recent certification and requiring existing employees to get certified can help you hire strong talent and strengthen your existing maintenance team. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the importance of maintenance technicians, their roles, responsibilities, and the certifications available to them. Remember, a skilled maintenance technician can significantly improve the reliability of your organization and save you money. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further information and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to keep your assets in good shape.